Hello and welcome to BMX Motors. Today we have this beautiful BMW X3 XDRIVE. Lovely colour, diamond white. This car is in exceptional condition. Looks really nice with the black alloy wheels. Even the dog likes it. Lovely and straight. No car park dings or anything. Alloys are in cracking condition as well. Lovely big boot. There you go. Diesel 2 litre. This car has had £1,800 worth of factory extras fitted when it was new. All the media pack, Bluetooth pack, etc. It's on a 2014. Early 2014, 63 plate. Like I said, it's a lovely condition. And what marks this car off really is the interior. Lovely colour combination. The brown tan interior. Also in stunning condition. Been well looked after. Back seats, no marks, nothing. Headline is good. No seatbelt ports in the door frames. Door cards are all brilliant. Same again on this side. Obviously electric windows front and back. Just on this driver's front seat, just slight wear there, been getting in and out of the car, but the rest of the seat is perfect. Into the cab. Obviously got your media, telephone, navigation, connect drive, all that. Aircon dual. Car is an automatic. Got your auto hold as well, which is a great feature. Sport, eco, and everything's controlled by this knob here. Plenty of storage. Inside there you got your USB and stuff. The car has only covered 61,563 miles. Like I said, it's got 7 service stamps, 5 of them are main dealer. Will come with a fresh MOT if it needs it. Steering controls, automatic lights, all that. Lovely car. A very well maintained and well looked after car. And there you have it, your BMW X3. Now available at BMX Motors. Thanks for watching.